Good morning, children. How are you? Ninth class, page number 14. Page number 14. Exercise 1.2. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more there may be? Find an irrational number. You have to find out an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. First, 5 by 7. Okay? Decimal form of 5 by 7. 5 by 7. 5 is small number if you compare than 7. Therefore, 0.0. 7 7 are 49. 1. 10 minus 9, 1. Already point is there, you have to write 0. 7 1 are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Already point, put the point here, therefore you have to write 0. 7 4 are 28. 30 minus 28, 2. Already point is there, you have to write 0. 7 2 are 14. 20 minus 14, 6. Put the point, already point is there, therefore you have to write 0 here. 7 8 are 56. Okay? Already point is there, therefore you have to write 0. 7 5 are 35. 40 minus 35, 5. Already point is there, therefore you have to write 0 here. 50 50. Therefore same numbers repeat. 7 7 are 49. 10 minus 9, 1. Point is there, therefore you have to write 0. 7 1 are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Point is there, you have to write 0. 7 4 are 28. 38 minus 28, 2. Point is there, you have to write 0 here. 7 2 are 14. 20 minus 14, 6. Already point is there, you have to write 0 here. 7 8 are 56. 60 minus 56, 4. Point is there, therefore you have to write 0 here. 7 5 are 35. 40 minus 35, 5. Point is therefore you have to write 0. 50. 50, 50. Same numbers repeat. Therefore, 0.71428 also repeat. Therefore, 5 by 7 you have to write. We can be write as 5 by 7 is equal to 0.714285 bar. Next, 7 by 9. 7 by 9. 7 by 9. 7 is small number compared to 9. 0.0. Okay? 9 7 are 63. 10 minus 37, 6 minus 0, left side 0 will read that right. Point is there, therefore write 0. 9 7 are 63. Point is there, therefore you have to write 0. 9 7 are 63. Therefore, 7 by 9 is equal to 0.777 and so on. 0.7 bar. 0.7 bar. What we have to do? We have to write irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. Okay? 5 by 7 answer 0.714285 and so on. Repeat. 7 by 9 is equal to 0.7 bar into 0.777. Repeat. Therefore, irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. Irrational number, so 0.71. Here 0.77. 0.71 after 0.77. 0.71 తర్వాత 0.77 మిడిల్ లో రాయాలి. అంటే ఏమన్నా యాక్చువల్లీ 0.71 తర్వాత రాయాలి. ఆఫ్టర్ 71 0.72 0.728542 and so on etc. 0.71 తర్వాత నెంబర్స్ రాయాలి. అంటే 0.72 మన స్టేజ్ రాసిన నెంబర్స్ 0.728542 or 0.727645 or 0.725648 any numbers you have to write. therefore so 0.71 తర్వాత రాయాలి 0.77 బిలో నెంబర్స్ రాయాలి 0.71 ఆఫ్టర్ అంటే 0.72 remaining numbers like 8542 or 0.72 say 5642 or 0.72 or 4538 etc. any numbers. Therefore there are infinitely many irrational numbers, many irrational numbers between 5/7 and 7/9. See once again 0.71 తర్వాత నెంబర్స్ రాయాలి ఏముంది 0.72 మన ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్స్ ఎవరు రాసినా పర్లేదు 0.725854 0.725643 0.726572 any numbers as you like. Okay, therefore there are infinitely many irrational numbers between 5/7 and 7/9. Okay, fourth question homework same model. Next question number 5. Find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. Find the value of root 5. Find the value of root 5. Write 5. Root 5 value. Find the value of root 5. For root 5 value you have to find out. Therefore 5 point you have to write 4 bars 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. First 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are division method. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. Okay. Write 1 bar. 1 bar means 2 zeros. At point. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. I have to write down 1 bar. 1 bar means 2 zeros. Point is there, point. Next you have to write double to this number. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 after which number take nearest to 100? 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. For example, if you take 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 129 is more than 100. Therefore, you have to take 84. Therefore, 2 42 2s are 84. 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 8 1. Write another bar. That means 2 zeros. Next, you have to take double numbers. Double to 22. 22 2s are 44. This number you multiply with 2 nearest to 1600. For example, 3 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 1 is there, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 30. If you take 4 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16 plus 1 17, 4 4 is 16 plus 1 17. 1776 is more than 1600. Therefore, it is not necessary to do. Okay? Therefore, this is correct. 3 3. 1329. 1329. 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 2 7. Here 5 minus 3 2. 1 minus 1 0, left side 0 we did not write. Next, double to 223. 223 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 446 you write here. You have to write double to this number. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Which number you have to multiply? Write. You have to write another bar. Okay. Which number you have to multiply to get to the nearest number to 27,100. For example, 6 you take. 6 6 are 36. 3 is there. 6 6 are 36 3. 39 3 is there. 6 4 is 24 3. 27 2 is there. 6 4 is 24 2. 26. This is the nearest number. If you take 7 7, you have to get after 27,000 above number. So therefore write 6 6 6 6 26,796. 26,796. 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 9 0. Here 0. 10 minus 7 3. Okay. 6 minus 6 0. 2 minus 2 0. Left side 0. So we did not write. Next you have to write another bar. Bar means 2 zeros. Next double to this number. 2 2 3 6 double. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. 2 2 are 4. 4 4 6 2. What number we multiply to this number to get to the nearest to 30,400? For example, to take 1 into 1. 1 1 are 1, 1 2 are 2, 1 6 are 6, 1 4 are 4, 1 4 are 4. 44,621. More than 30,400. One is we did not write because here 44,000, here only 30,000. Therefore, one is not suitable. Therefore, you have to write 0 into 0 into 0. 0 into 0. Therefore, 0 0. Therefore, 0 into 44,620 is equal to 0. Therefore, 30,400. Therefore, root 5 is equal to 2 point, right side answer, 2360. Point after last 0 0, we need not write. Therefore, root 5 is equal to 2.236. 2.236. Point after last 0, we need not write. Okay? Next. Same way, question number 6 homework. Note question number 7. Question number 7. Root 5 value 2.236. Right, question number 7. 6 homework to write question number 7. Locate root 10 and number line. Locate root 10 and number line. First we draw a number line. Take a scale and pencil. First you draw a number line. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side minus 1. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. First of all, we draw a number line. Root 10 means after root 9. Root 10 value greater than root 9. Root 9 we know that root 9 value 3. Therefore, root 9 value 3. Therefore, root 10 value definitely 3 after. Therefore, take length. First of all, you have to take length 3 units. This is 0 O A. Length is equal to, you have to take 3 units. Length 3 units, breadth 1 unit. Okay, you have to take length is equal to 3 units. Okay, 3 means go 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 you say O, 3 you say A, OA. We have to form a rectangle on number line. Length is equal to, you have to take 3 units, breadth is equal to 1. Breadth is equal to 1. Length 3 units, breadth equal to 1 unit. This is rectangle OA BC. Okay, OABC is a rectangle. In rectangle, lengths are equal, breadths are equal. OA equal length, O2 0 1 2 3, length equal 3 units, breadth equal to 1 unit. L is equal 3 units, B is equal 1 unit. We have to take a form rectangle on the number line. Okay. Okay. Join OB. Join OB. Okay, you see OAB is a right angle triangle. OAB is a right angle triangle. We know that first of all, step 1, we draw a number line. We draw a number line. First step, we draw a number line. Step 2, I draw a rectangle on the number line OABC. I draw a rectangle on number line OABC is a rectangle. You have to take length is equal to 3 units and breadth is equal to 1 unit. Okay, length is equal to 3 units. No? 0 1 2 3, from 0 to 3 units length. Breadth equal to, okay, breadth equal to 1 unit. Okay, this is breadth equal to 1 unit, length equal to 3 units. L is equal to 3. This in rectangle opposite sides are equal. This is 3, BC is also 3. This is breadth equal to 1, AB equal to 1, therefore opposite OC is also 1. OABC is a rectangle. Okay, join OB. Step 3, join OB. OAB is a right angle triangle. OAB is a, from triangle OAB, by Pythagoras theorem we know that hypo square equal to side square plus side square. Hypo square, OB is equal to hypo. 90 degrees opposite line is hypo. Therefore, hypo square means OB square is equal to, this is 90. 90 is up to OB. OB square equal to side square plus side square. OA square plus, this is AB. AB square. Okay? OA square, OA equal to 3. 3 square plus AB equal to A to B, 1. 3 square equal to 9, 1 square equal to 1. So OB square is equal to 9 plus 1. OB square equal to 9 plus 1, 10. OB is equal to, this square going on, just change into root. OB is equal to root 10. OB equal to root 10. Therefore, we have to take from O, I draw an arc. From O, take radius OB. Okay? No. This is you take like this. From O, take radius OB. I draw an arc. From O, I draw an arc. And number line. These cards, this place K. This place K. From O, take radius OB. I draw an arc. Okay? This arc cut at this point K. This point you say K. Therefore, step 4. From O, take radius OB. Take radius OB. I draw I draw an arc. It touches on the number line. It touches on the number line at K. Therefore, K value 3 after. We have to know that root 10 equal to 3. Root 10 equal to more than 3. More than 3. 3 after, 4 below. Therefore, K represents root 10. Therefore, K represents root 10. K represents root 10. Okay. First step. We draw a number line. First you have to take scale and pencil. We draw a number line. Okay. 0 here. Right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers. Step 2. I draw a rectangle OABC. Length equal to 3 units, breadth equal to 1 unit. OABC is a rectangle. Okay, length 3, breadth 1. OAB is a right angle triangle. This is 90. 90 opposite line hypo. Hypo square, that means OB square equal to side square plus side square. OA equal to 3, OB equal to 1. 3 square 9, 1 square 1. This square going on also change into root. OB equal to root 2. Step 4. From O, take radius OB. I draw an arc. This arc touches the number line at K. K represents root 10 value. Okay. Remaining sums we have to continue on the next class. Okay, thank you.